Bullish rose cost expectation for 2022 is $0.067 to $0.369. The rose cost will likewise reach $1 soon. Bearish rose cost expectation for 2022 is $0.04342. In Desert Garden Organization, ROSE, Cost Forecast 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, REVOL, and other data about rose to examine the future development of the digital money. Desert Spring Organization, ROSE, Current Market Status. As indicated by CoinGecko, the cost of Desert Garden Organization, ROSE, is $0.0612 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $25,523,319 at the hour of composing. Be that as it may, rose has diminished to 3.4% as of now. What is Desert Garden Organization, ROSE? Desert Garden Organization, ROSE, is the local utility badge of the Desert Garden Organization. Rose was sent off in November 2020 on the organization. Desert Garden Organization is a security-centered shrewd agreements put together blockchain worked with respect to Universe SDK. The organization zeroes in more on advancing security and classification. Particularly, the following wedge flags a bullish inversion. This example demonstrates a breakout in the cost pattern towards an upswing. From the above outline, we can decipher that the force of the downtrend is dialing back. At present, Desert Spring Organization, ROSE, is at $0.061. Assuming the example proceeds, the cost of rose could arrive at the opposition level of $0.087. On the off chance that the pattern inverts, the cost of rose might tumble to $0.051. Desert Spring Organization, ROSE, backing and obstruction levels. The diagram underneath shows the help and opposition levels of Desert Garden Organization, ROSE. From the above everyday time span, we can plainly decipher the accompanying as the obstruction and backing levels of Desert Spring Organization, ROSE. Resistance level 1, $0.082. Resistance level 2, $0.143. Resistance level 3, $0.2349. Resistance level 4, $0.3696. Support level, $0.04342. The outlines show that rose has played out a bullish pattern over the course of the last month. Assuming this pattern proceeds, rose could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its opposition level at $0.3696. As needs be, in the event that the financial backers betray the crypto, the cost of the rose could fall to nearly $0.04342, a negative sign. Desert Spring Organization, ROSE, Value Forecast 2022, REVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume, RVOL, of Desert Garden Organization, ROSE, is displayed in the underneath diagram. It is a mark of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some undefined time frame from the past volume for brokers. As of now, the RVOL of rose lies underneath the end line, showing frail members in the latest thing. In addition, the moving normal, MAMA, of Desert Garden Organization, ROSE, is displayed in the above graph. Prominently, the rose cost lies under 50 MAMA, present moment, so it is totally in a descending pattern. Right now, rose is in a negative state. There is plausible of an inversion pattern of rose whenever. In the meantime, the overall strength record, RSI, of the rose is at a degree of 40.55. This implies that rose is in an almost oversold state. In any case, this gives certainty to the brokers to exchange with next to no trepidation. Desert Garden Organization, ROSE, Value Expectation 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to look normal directional file, ADX, of Desert Garden Organization, ROSE. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The pointer is the normal of the extending cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative headings utilizing DMI pointers with ADX. From the above graph, we can decipher that BTC, ETH, and Rose are moving in a comparable pattern. This shows that when the cost of BTC increments or diminishes, the cost of ETH and Rose additionally increment or abatement separately. Desert Garden Organization, ROSE, Value Forecast 2023. Assuming the declining cost activity dials back in energy and the pattern switches, Desert Garden Organization, ROSE, could likely achieve $1.90 by 2023. Desert Garden Organization, ROSE, Value Expectation 2024. With a few redesigns in the organization, Desert Garden Organization, ROSE, could enter a bullish direction. Assuming the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, Rose could revitalize to hit $3.20 by 2024. Desert Spring Organization, ROSE, Value Expectation 2025. In the event that Desert Garden Organization, ROSE, supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among financial backers for the following 3 years, Rose would energize to hit $4.50. Desert Garden Organization, ROSE, Value Forecast 2026. On the off chance that Desert Spring Organization, ROSE, supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among financial backers for the following 4 years, Rose would energize to hit $5.50. Desert Garden Organization, ROSE, Value Expectation 2027. On the off chance that Desert Garden Organization, ROSE, supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among financial backers for the following 5 years, Rose would mobilize to hit $6.70. Desert Spring Organization, ROSE, Value Expectation 2028. In the event that Desert Garden Organization, ROSE, holds up areas of strength for and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years, it could observe a critical cost rallies. Accordingly, by 2028, Rose would hit $8. Desert Garden Organization, ROSE, Value Forecast 2029. On the off chance that financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on Desert Garden Organization, ROSE, it would observe significant spikes. Rose could hit $9.50 by 2029. Desert Garden Organization, ROSE, Value Expectation 2030. With more prominent progressions in the Desert Garden Organization environment, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into Desert Garden Organization, ROSE, for the following 8 years and drive critical cost rallies for the token. Subsequently,